Jai Hind everyone. Today with us Deepak Dev, a student of Pratham Pag 1 course of Doon Defense Academy. I want to tell something about the students. Basically, he has taken admission for the Pratham Pag 1 course in Doon Defense Academy. By his hard work and dedications, he got a PCM percentage 95% in 12th class. And twicely, he has cleared the written examination of NDA. And he got an opportunity for the Army Technical Entry Scheme 52 course. He applied for the Army TES and is cleared and is recommended from SSB Board Jalandhar, and finally is waiting for his medical. I want to tell you that in Pratham Pag students in first batch, students have done well. Most of the students got more than 90%, and same time one of our students already selected for the Indian Army, and other students, most of the students got joined the Merchant Navy in world-class shipping companies. Today, Deepak Dev with us, and he will share the experience of his journey in Doon Defense Academy, his success, how his success became an example for other. Okay, Deepak Dev, first of all, congratulations to you for your success. You've done well. Can you share some experience for the students?
Of course, sir. So basically, my name is Deepak Dev. I'm from district Kollam in the state of Kerala. So last 2 years, I've taken admission in Pratham Pag first batch. That was before 2 years, and I've done my NDA coaching from here only. So it was a really good experience that I had in DDA over here, because the experience and the enjoyment that you have in a hostel life and the life that you enjoy over here, and alongside you are doing your NDA preparation and pursuing your goals. So it was really a good experience for me over here, because in my first attempt as well as my second attempt that I had for my NDA, I cracked the NDA exam, but unfortunately in the first attempt I got screened out from 24 SSB Bangalore. It was really disappointing for me as well as for others. So I didn't stop over there. I again gave my NDA examination for my second attempt. That was also I cleared the exam, and I went for the SSB in 20 SSB Bhopal. But again, I got a setback from there. I got conference out from there only, 20 SSB Bhopal, and I was really sad about that as well. But I never stopped over there as well. My teachers have informed me that if you give the JEE Mains examination, you can also get an opportunity to give the technical entry scheme, that is a TES of Indian Army as well as for Indian Navy as well. So I applied for that course as well. And for the TES-52 course, I got shortlisted for the SSB interview. That was, I gave it in Jalandhar only. The selection center north in Jalandhar, and from 32 SSB Jalandhar in 5 days I got recommended from there for the TES-52 course. And at that time I was really happy as well as elated when I got recommended finally. After in my 2 attempts I just failed, but again I got stood up and cleared my SSB in my 3rd attempt. So it was a really wonderful experience. All the teachers and mentors over here who have helped me, I'm very happy. They were staying together with me and supporting me all the time, even though I was facing failures. And the one message that I want to give to all others is that even if you fail once or twice, never give up. Because in Jalandhar only I have seen people who have given 15 SSBs and they have found success in their 16th one. And I also met people who have given 23 SSBs and in their 24th attempt they have got recommended. So failure is just a stepping stone towards your success. The time that you take and the how many failures that you face in your life is just the success that is going to wait for you. And it is a lesson that you can learn from it. And when you fail many times, you get to understand the value of success. So by that way, that is it. Never give up in your life. Move forward. And at the end of your life, you will get your success. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, Dave, there's a wonderful, you have spoken here.
Yes, sir.
And this, all the worlds will become motivation for the students of Doon Defense Academy. Those have been preparing here for the Indian Merchant Navy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the best for your wonderful career in armed forces.
Yes, sir.
Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.